Hello! So, oh my god, today I am back! Yay! And I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and you guys are flipping awesome, and you sent things in to me, and I'm dead excited, and I can't wait to see what's here. So, stick around to find out. Hello! I am on a filming roll today. Well, this is my third video to do today. I've not filmed in friggin' ages. My first one was like, shit, forgot what to do. My second one was like, okay, this is cool. My third one's like, yeah, bitches, I'm here. I'm really, really loving it. So massive thank you to everybody who makes videos like this possible. I absolutely flipping love it. It was also my little boy's favourite thing to do with filming as well. He loved unboxing videos. So jumping straight in, some of them I've opened, some of them I haven't, so you'll have to just bear with me. But starting off with a little Amazon parcel, and this has come to Pixie, and it says Pixie Sunshine on it. So a lot of my friends, when they send things, this friend is from America. I've never actually physically met her, but will do this year. And a lot of people, they put their names on the end, or they put little keywords, so I always know who it's from. And Pixie Sunshine is a lovely nickname, which is by Marcella. So hello, Marcella. Oh my God, like, oh, I'm excited. Now she's been messaging me saying, I've sent you something, have you opened it yet? I'm like, no, because I've been really poorly. So this is from Marcella in the States. So thank you so much in advance. I don't know what it is. It's a box within a parcel. Box within a box is what my little boy used to say. No idea what this is at all. I actually found my scissors, yay, which is cool. Normally lose them on every single video. I'm red hot, people. I'm taking my hat off. I'm so sorry. Like, it's roasting in the UK at the moment, like proper. I know I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards, by the way, and I'm not going to dye my hair again. So yeah, I'm going grey and everything. But my dreads coming on though, look. Getting longer, yay. For those people that don't know, I used to have dreads down, almost down to my knees. They were so super long. Might try and pop a little photo in so you guys can see what it used to be like. And then I had them all cut off. Right. I'm growing them again though, because I miss them. Right, okay. I nearly sliced my fingers off then, Marcella. Right, so we have a little box. No idea what is inside it at all. It's really lightweight. Oh my God, I can't open it. There we go. Oh, what? It looks like it's like lots of little eyeballs. Oh my God, I know what these are. I might have to ask my husband. He's working next door. I think they're called head knockers. Spanky, what's the anime where they've got the little forest head knockers? My husband's working in the room next door because he works from home. And this is from a Japanese anime.
What's the annual percentage of what?
Not the annual percentage. The little head knockers. What film is it from? You know, the little forest people go with their heads. I've just got a bag of those. What are they called? You know the
Tree spirits.
Tree spirits. Yeah. What's the
Princess Mononoke.
Princess Mononoke? Is it? Yeah. Look. Right, I've got to say, Marcella, these things freak me out completely. You had loads of them, didn't you, in the kitchen window?
Love them.
Yeah, my husband loves them. So these actually glow up as well. See, I don't know if they're going to glow up much. See, if I turn the light off, as you can see. Oh, it's very bright in here today, so put it back on. Oh, got my skin shit into it. Right, okay, so these are actually, so they're from, he thinks it's from Princess Mononoke, and they sit in the little forest. They're only like really small, and they make a kind of like knocking sound, and the heads go like this. Go. Yeah, and there's just lots and lots of them, so they're all in different positions. They're all like kind of like sitting down, kneeling down, or whatever. They're really cute. Kodama.
Yeah. They're a sign that the tree and the forest is healthy.
It's a sign that the trees and the forest are healthy, apparently. I don't know if you can hear him because he's behind the camera. So, oh, so you have to put some of these up.
They're super cute. I don't see why you think they're weird.
They are cute. I think it's because of the...
It's because the face doesn't move as well, isn't it?
It could be, yeah, because the heads kind of stay stationary, like, almost, but it's like... Yeah, they're a bit like a nodding thing in the car, but just like the bodies are...
You like the soots, don't you?
I like soots, yeah. So that is from, is it Totoro? My neighbour, it's Studio Ghibli, isn't it?
Yeah.
And they are like little balls of soot, and they basically gather, don't they? They gather in like groups, and they live in the corners of your kitchen and stuff. And they've got like little eyes. And I don't think I've got any soots in here actually. I did have soot. Someone gifted me. I've got soot stickers and soot like little keychains and all sorts. But yeah, I'll put a picture of a soot up if I can find it. But they're cute. Well, thank you so much, Marcella. Like, I think Spanky's probably going to place these all around the house because they do look cute and they glow up in the dark. Yeah, there.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Totoro, yeah,
And,
yay!
and Spirited Away
Is it Spirited Away?
as well.
Oh, there we go then. Is it?
Yeah.
So I really need to like get more up to date with all this stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can put those in the garden as well, can't you?
Yeah, it's not like the films have been out for 30 years or anything.
He just said it's not like the films have been out for 30 years or anything. Shut up. Right, oh yeah, I've got a shit memory, like I forget loads of stuff. Okay, the next one we have is, this is a little yodel parcel. Don't know what it is at all. It's come to me. Let's just open this one now, be careful because the address was on it. Oh, okay, well there's no note with this one at all, but this is bunting. Oh my god, yes, this is rainbow bunting and it's made from like a Hessian fabric, which is cool. See if we can open one of these. Now, this is probably something for our garden because we're doing big garden renovations. Come over and have a look at, I think it's called Goth and Garden. It's like making an eco garden. And we're putting lots of this really cool stuff up. So yeah, these will go into the garden. And these are for Ostara's playhouse, my little girl's playhouse. We're about to paint it and make it all lovely for her. And this is beautiful. So look at that. So it's like a... It's almost like a net fabric. It's really cool. Comes with garden string as well. I'm not going to undo it all because I want to keep it nice. But these are going to look so pretty, and you will see everything that you send for the garden. You will see it on like videos. We do videos all the time. Yeah, so thank you so much to whoever sent those. Again, if anybody sees anything they've sent, please do pop your name underneath because I don't always get to see notes. And sometimes I don't find out in advance of editing who it is. So I always want to say thank you. That's really cool. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Right then, so there's another parcel here. Now this one looks as though it could be a Temu parcel. Now I also do buy from Temu, so and usually if I get gifts, it's either come from William, or it's from the old fart in Canada, or my friend Anne-Marie. But Anne-Marie always puts stupid stuff on the end, like she puts her name on it, or she'll put Pixie, Mike, Hunt. So I end up having to say naughty words on camera. And this one hasn't got any names on it. It's just got my name on it. So I don't know if it's something I've ordered or if it's come from someone else. So I'm going to quickly just, there's no addresses, is it? There we go. It's come in a bag, just ripping it open. So I absolutely currently don't know who this is from, actually. So we have some neon stickers, which I don't remember ordering. So the chances are this could be a gift. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, whoever this is from, because I don't remember ordering these at all. Okay, so we have some live music neon gift stickers, which is really cool because I have a diary and I love to put stickers in it, which is great. We also have some planet ones, which is awesome. I'm not going to open all of these, but I do have a gigantic sticker jar next to my bed and also here in the studio. And I do share them with my daughter as well because she loves sticking stickers everywhere, especially on our leather sofa, which is not really appreciated. Right. There is a box in there as well. So let's have a look. It's a box within a bag. Got some polystyrene, so it may be something for outside. We get a lot of things wrapped in polystyrene which end up being garden items, which is really, really cool. Ooh, no clue what this is. Oh my god. Oh, it's a chihuahua. It's a sleeping chihuahua. Look at that. This looks like Spooky, my chihuahua. Oh my god, that is so cute. That can go on my little boy's grave. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the ears. That is literally the same as my dog, Spooky. He can't even get in at the moment because there's so many boxes in the way, or otherwise I'd show you. But oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oh, put that on there. I don't think I've ordered these. I really don't remember it if I did. So I think these are someone sent them. So thank you. We have a big... it feels like it could be a cushion. Fuck me, I can't speak. A cushion cover. Honestly, those days, I think I psyched myself up to film because I've not done it in ages. This is my third video today and I'm like, yeah, this is dead exciting. But then my brain's going a million miles an hour and my gob's not keeping up. And it usually comes out wrong. Right, so this is a kawaii, is what I wanted to say. It's cinema roll! Oh my god, again, I absolutely love Sanrio, I do. Just done a video where I unbox a huge Hello Kitty box as well, which is awesome. Honestly, I love, love, love Sanrio. So this is a big cushion cover. It's super, super soft. It's lovely material. And this is Cinema Roll, who is a puppy. I thought he was a rabbit when I first started following Sanrio, but he's not. He's absolutely beautiful. This is lovely. Thank you so, so much. That's going to look really nice on my bed. Or Ostara's if she steals it. Okay, then we have got these. So these are They look like big felt balls. Well, that looks as though it's a love heart, but then is it maybe a cloud? Because that looks like it's a heart, doesn't it? A love heart, I think you can see. But there's two sides to it, so I'm wondering if it's actually a cloud shape. And I'm not quite sure what it's for. Hopefully it might say in the packet, because I actually don't know. I can't find the entrance. There we go. Right. So there is a little packet that comes with it. Maybe that's got some kind of holders, or I don't know what this is, so no idea. Oh god, right, okay, so it's push pins. So these are, try not to stab myself, I don't really fancy a piercing today. These are little tiny push pins, look. Can you see it? It's focusing there. There we go. So this must be some kind of like notice board then. And with it being in two halves, yeah, it's taped together on the back. Oh, there we go. It is a cloud. So it's a cloud notice board with little clear push pins. That's actually really nice. And I presume these bits would be to stick it on the wall. It's Velcro. I don't like that noise at all. That's not nice. So I'm going to be putting that on the wall a different way, not using Velcro, because the sound of that is just not nice. But that is cool. I like that so much. That is cool. Thank you very, very much. I like it. That is awesome. Don't recognise any of that, so it's not stuff that I bought myself. So yay! Thank you so much to whoever sent that. Right then, we have another little parcel here, which is a squidgy one, and this has come to the crap Goth. This is exciting. Okay, not opened this one yet either. Thank you all so much, by the way. You're all friggin' amazing. Oh, got some pink stuff. Pink is my favourite colour ever. Okay, I wondered what that was then. I was like, that looks a bit iffy. This is a doctor's play set. Oh my god. Oh my god, these, I wonder if these are donations then, because these are the kind of things we'd see at the hospital. Hang on, let me just have a quick look. There's another bag here, so let's see what's in this one. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Right, okay, so these are definitely donations. These are little mini blood pressure cuffs. I'm going to keep them sealed. So you've got the little pump there. Obviously now it's all electronics, isn't it? But you pop it on the kid's arm and you just basically pump it up, and the dial should move. I don't know if it does. If it just, no, it's just a picture, but that is still really cool. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and that is incredible. So these will go to the Newcastle Freeman Hospital on the cardiac wards for the children. Everything we take up, whether it's food donations, whether it's things for the parents who stay there, whether it's gifts for the medical staff and gifts for the children over Christmas, it is all done under the Captain KORI Foundation, which we are hoping to launch this year. We're not a registered charity as yet. It's really difficult to get that. But yeah, we do everything basically. All the donations are going under my little boy's name, which is really cool. So thank you all so, so much. Right, a couple more. Should we do that one again? Right, a couple more items to open. Okay, so we have another one from Marcella, because this says Pixie Sunshine. Thank you so much, Marcella. I love you so much. And I can't wait to meet you this year. It's going to be awesome. She's going to come over from the States and come and stay with us, which is going to be brilliant. So, right, okay. Oh my gosh, yay. She's left a note as well, which is brilliant. This is a gift from, Marcel. It says Marcel Lorenz, but I know who it is. So thank you so much. This is, so this, oh my god, this says it's a 6-pack miniature fairy garden decorative supplies. Oh my god, fairy gardens. We love fairy gardens. Also, I keep spiders, and so I keep, Spanky bought me, my husband, Spanky bought me a jumping spider, which is really cool. I've got tarantulas, and I've started getting garden spiders. Now, the ones who live in tiny little pots and stuff, and I have like lovely spider tanks, and I decorate them with fairy furniture, and I have them in my bedroom. It's not cruel, honestly. They've got I feed them flies and everything. It's so cool. Okay, so we have some garden items. So we have some really cute little toadstools. They are adorable. Also, we can use these for crafts as well, which is great. And some little tiny hedgehogs. Let's have a look at these. Right. Hedgehogs are so adorable. But yeah, we call them hedgehogs here because it's cool. Oh my god, they are so cute. They're really spiky as well. They are adorable. Thank you so, so, so much, Marcella. You absolute star. Ah! I'm knocking everything over now. There we go. Put one on there. That is so cool. Thank you so much. They are literally adorable. Thank you. Oh my God, so many things. This is exciting. Right, we have one more box. I think this might be the last one actually, because I've got to go and do a lot of editing in a second. Okay, so we've got this one here, and this one's heavy. It's from Amazon. It's come to Pixie Traverstavel, which is me. Okay, and right, I haven't opened it because I'm a bit of a dickhead and I forgot to. So usually I do this to save time. I pre-open boxes, and I've missed some out today because I'm a bit of a div. Right. Okay, so I can get one open, get that one open, address is out the way. There we go. Ta-da! This one's got some weight to it, to be honest with you. Oh, what is this? Oh, we've got a shipping note, and we've got another shipping note. And is there any? Oh yes, we have notes. We have notes. It's a gift from Carrie-Ann Ganley, New Jersey, United States. Hello, Carrie-Ann. Oh, hello. You didn't tell me you were doing this. This is flower seeds from the wish list for KORI's garden. Also the picnic blanket and garden tool holder. Yay for spring from Carrie-Ann Ganley. Oh my God, thank you so much. Wow. Okay, so we have some rockery flowers, which is cool. So rockery seeds, to say, for flowers. So yeah, I'm doing a beautiful eco garden. Well, we're doing the whole garden as an eco garden, but we have a special section for my little boy who passed away. And I'm just about to make a rockery around a garden pond actually for KORI. So this is going to be absolutely perfect, and you will see these on a video blooming beautifully. Thank you. This also says, Pixie, in part 6 of your gardening video, you mentioned that your garden has seen better days, or your garden hose has seen better days. I hope this flexi hose helps with power washing. Love from Carrie-Ann Ganley. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God, this is amazing. Look, yay, this is going to make things so much easier. It is lightweight, compact, solid brass fittings, high pressure resistant, never kinks or leaks, 3 times expandable, 75 foot. Do you know how much better this is going to make life? Oh my God. Last night, Carrie-Ann, I was watering the garden for maybe an hour, and I was filling it up with a hose pipe into a watering can and having to carry it down the garden. I mean, I know that sounds like, you know, it's first world problems and stuff, but I have so much stuff, from vegetables to trees to bushes to plants, even the bees, because I keep bee hives for people who don't know, and I have a big bowl with like bricks and stones in it, and I fill that up as well. And I was backwards and forwards at least 20 times, like doing it from the end of the garden to the middle of the garden to this. Having a hose is great, and of course we keep chickens as well, so being able to fill up their drinkers without having to sit, because our drinkers are broken. They have like these little, say, nipples, they're like balls really on the underside of these huge drinkers, so I have to sit with my finger plugged in this hole while I fill it up from the top. This is going to make it a lot easier, so I don't have to keep going backwards and forwards with watering cans. This is awesome. Thank you so much. And yes, you will see me watering the garden and probably having hose pipe fights with my husband and my daughters and everything else. So this is great. Thank you all so much for everything, for just making videos like this possible, for being frigging awesome, supporting my channel, which leads me on to say, if you like seeing random shit and seeing me cock things up and stuff like that, please do hit that subscribe button. Everything helps, honestly, it really is. It's just amazing. Also, don't forget to tick that little bell icon so you know every time a new video is uploaded. Yeah, that's wonderful. And if you can share my channel, I'd really love to grow this channel this year. It really does mean a lot. We do a lot of fun things and a lot of pissing around, but we also do a lot of serious fundraising as well. And, you know, we do a lot of donations and lots of really cool stuff as well. So, and stuff on mental health, because, yeah, I'm pretty mental. So, yeah, openly about that. So, you're all brilliant. I'm going to go and play with my new toys. I'm going to go and plug my hose pipe in. And tonight, when the sun goes down and it's nice and cool, I'm going to water my trees. Thank you so much. Right, love you all. I'm going to shut the fuck up. See you all soon. Love you. Bye.